On Wednesday, the 11th of March, as part of Climate Action Week Sydney 2026, Zali Steggall's team invited me in to do an apartment electrification workshop at the Hub in Neutral Bay.
$5.8 million that's being allocated from that solar grants program. 33% of it's going to North Sydney and North Shore. This area is the top area of the entire state for signing up for that solar program.
Well, I thought it was excellent. It was something that I wanted to know about, and I couldn't believe my luck when I saw it in the Mossman Daily that you were doing this, and it's better than I expected. It's answered lots of my questions, but it's also provided an excellent brochure that I can read and acquaint myself with what I need to ask. Thank you, Zali.